Dear learners, at the very beginning, welcome to online classroom. How are you? I hope all you are in well. I am also fine like you. You are in well in this COVID-19 period, in pandemic or epidemic situation by following the rules of health and hygiene. My identity is I am Aminul Islam, Assistant Teacher English, Kopilbini Shahosari, Vidya Mandir. Dear learners, today our class is 8 and subject is English first paper. So, dear learners, I am going to declare today's lesson. Today our unit is 3 and lesson is 1 and 3. Page number 19 and 20 and 22 and 23 of your English textbook. The lesson title is Health and Hygiene. Dear learners, before going to start reading this passage, there are some learning outcomes in this passage. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. After we have started this unit, we will be able to read and understand text through sound reading. Listen for information, ask and answer questions. Write the answer to questions. Practice some important English words. And last, write a paragraph. So, dear learners, there are some keywords in this passage. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. Don't make a sound in the classroom. And now, number 1, health, the state of being free from illness or injury. Synonym, hygiene or happiness. Antonym, illness or unwellness. Number 2, hygiene. Hygiene means conditions or practices conducive to maintaining health and preventing disease, especially through cleanliness. Synonym, health or sanitation. Antonym, uncleanliness. Number 3, disease, an illness affecting human, animals or plants, often caused by infection. Synonym, unhealth. Antonym, cure. Number 4, concentrate. Concentrate means focus one's attention or mental effort on a particular object or activity. Synonym, contemplate or attend. Antonym, decentralize or deconcentrate. Number 5, valuable. Valuable means worth a great deal of money. Synonym, expensive or costly. Antonym, worthless or priceless. Number 6, balanced diet. Meaning of balanced diet is a diet that contains adequate amounts of all the necessary nutrients required for health, growth and activity. Synonym, proportional or smooth food. Antonym, overeat. Number 7, spiritually means in a spiritual manner with purity of spirit. Synonym, morally or ideally. Antonym, physically or secularly. Number 8, protect, keep safe from harm or injury. Synonym, save or defend. Antonym, abuse or annihilate. Number 9, germ, a microorganism, especially on that causes disease. Synonym, virus or microscopic form. Antonym, disease free. And last 10, environment, the condition in which a person, animal or plant lives or operates. Synonym, circumstance or atmosphere. Antonym, bad surroundings. So, dear learners, I am going to start text paper. Dear learners, listen to me carefully. Health. Health is the condition of our body and mind. It may be good or bad. Good health means health, body free from diseases. It is essential for everyone to lead a happy life. If we are not in good health, we cannot concentrate on any activity in our life. A proverb goes, health is wealth. It means health is equally valuable as gold or any other personal possessions. We may have vast wealth and property, but if we are not healthy, we cannot enjoy them. To keep ourselves healthy, we have to do certain things. We have to take a balanced diet. We must exercise regularly to keep our body fit for work. There is an old saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So we should not keep late hours. We should go to bed early at night and rise early in the morning. Peace of mind is another condition for good health. So we must not worry over small things of life. Second passage. The word hygiene means the practice of keeping ourselves clean. It also means to keep our home and workplaces clean. It is important for our good health. Hygiene is thought to be next to godliness. It is because we cannot achieve anything physically, mentally, or spiritually if we are unclean in our body, mind, and soul. Nobody likes an unclean person either. So we must follow the rules of hygiene. First, we must keep our body clean. We should have a bath every day and wash our hair regularly. This will keep the body and hair free from dirt and bacteria. Secondly, we should wash our clothes regularly. Dirty clothes give off bad smell and invite germs. We should wear socks and shoes when we go out to protect our feet from dust and germs. It is also important to wash our hands before meals and after using the toilet. We should brush our teeth twice a day. After breakfast and supper, we must also cut our nails regularly. Our drinking water must be safe. We can get safe water by boiling and filtering. Finally, we should keep our surroundings and environment clean. If we do and follow all the above things properly, we will be able to lead a healthy and happy life. So, dear learners, now I am going to analyze some important words based on the text. Healthy means hygiene, soundness, wellness. Condition means situation, circumstance, position, case. Essential means necessary, indispensable, inevitable. Concentrate, attend, contemplate, observe, look after. Activity or action, deed. Wealth, treasure, money, properly, proper, prosperity. Equally, indiscriminately, systematically, or methodically. Personal, individual, private, special. Vast, large, huge, gigantic, immense. Certain, definite, particular, fixed. Exercise, practice, breath, steer. The importance word of second passage. Regularly, daily, orderly, timely. Important, significant, vital, monumental. Godliness, religiousness, piety, righteousness. Achieve, attain, gain, acquire, earn. Physically, bodily, anatomically, fleshly. Dirty, filthy, untidy, unclean, nasty. Give up means give out or desert or excel. Bad smell means smell means scent, flavor or odor. Boiling means blooming. Supper means dinner, the last meal of the day. Filtering means refining, purifying. Surrounding means neighborhood, outskirts, environment. And last word, properly means rightly, totally, entirely. Dear students, now we have to complete the section C. Look at the textbook. Dear students, look at the textbook, section C, and then now look at the whiteboard. I am going to complete the 5 sentences. Complete the following sentences. Number 1. If we are healthy, we will lead a happy life. Gap start. We will lead a happy life. Number 2. We must be clean so that gap start we can maintain good health. Number 3. You must exercise to keep gap start keep your body fit. Number 4. Nobody likes an gap start unclean person. And number 5. If we obey the laws of hygiene, we gap start will be able to lead a healthy and happy life. So, dear students, we have reached the last stage of today's class. So now look at the whiteboard and take your home task, and this home task write down on your exercise book. Your home task is write a paragraph on physical exercise. So dear peoples, no more today. Take care of your health in this COVID-19 period, pandemic or epidemic situation by following the rules of health and hygiene. Wash your hands frequently with soap and sanitizer. Maintain physical or social distance. Use face mask. Don't waste your time at home in lazily. Carry on your study by staying at home. and save your lives. Thanks to all. Goodbye.